Common Filipino questions asked to a friend. May pera ka ba dyan? Do you have any money? Pwede ba akong humiram ng pera? Can I borrow some money? Libre ka ba bukas? Are you free tomorrow? Nandyan ba ang mga magulang mo? Are your parents at home? Bakit hindi ka pumasok kahapon? Why didn't you come yesterday? Bakit ang tagal mo? What take you so long? Ayos ka lang ba? Are you okay? Madalas ka bang magluto? Do you cook often? Sino ang matalik mong kaibigan? Who is your best friend? Takot ka ba sa dilim? Are you afraid of the dark? Madalas ka bang lumabas? Do you often hang out? Dala mo ba ang cellphone mo? Did you bring your cellphone? Matutulog ka na ba? Are you going to sleep now? Nanood ka ba ng TV kagabi? Did you watch TV last night? Aalis ka ba bukas? Are you leaving tomorrow? Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? Alam mo ba ang lugar na ito? Do you know this place? Nasaan ang mga kapatid mo? Where are your siblings? Sasamahan mo ba ako? Will you come with me? Kumain ka na ba? Have you eaten? Umiinom ka ba ng alak? Do you drink alcohol? Ano ang pangarap mong sasakyan? What is your dream car? May Facebook account ka ba? Do you have Facebook account? Kumusta ang unang araw mo sa trabaho? How was your first day at work? Anong bagay ang hindi mo pa nagagawa sa buhay mo? What is something you have never done in your life? Nagkaroon ka na ba ng nakakainis na kaibigan? Did you ever had an annoying friend? Madalas ka bang magkasakit? Do you often get sick? Mahilig ka bang magbasa? Do you read much? May kasintahan ka na ba? Do you have boyfriend or girlfriend? May karelasyon ka ba ngayon? Are you in a relationship now? Nasabi mo na ba sa kanya na gusto mo siya? Have you ever told him that you like him? Madalas ka bang pagalitan ng mga magulang mo? Do your parents often scold you?